What's going on YouTube? Coming back to you with these aggravating Cadillac taillights. Got to do some more work on the bottom right here to blend it in. We got the metal work, not Bondo, brought all the way out. Skim it with Bondo, dress it up some. This side just fitted in to the other bottom like that right there. Bring it out, flush it, and weld it out. Yeah. So get this 67 through 72 ready to go back on this truck over here. Set a bed for that and get it painted. Get the hood put on it. Yeah, and then we'll be able to get paid. That's why we do this. Get paid. Y'all have a good one. Later.